Okay, welcome back to another video. Okay, I'm gonna tell my friend that it started now. I started already. Wow, I cannot spell. I put red already. Oh, red. Wow, you can't put already. Okay, so for today, I just want to do some fun stuff. Well, for real, like some fun stuff. Specifically, like I'm gonna go to this party. Meet me in the party out now party, and I mean this party, the cruise ship party. Okay, so wow, I know this party. I just forgot how it looks because I wasn't on Animal Jam for how long. I got addicted to this game named Minecraft, and I used to do videos on Shao. And on my iOS, but when I used to do that, I don't know, like my iOS got messed up or something. I think somebody hacked me because I was on my settings and stuff. And when you're on the settings, you see everything. I did not know because I was just too happy for recording. I think that was like my last or third to last um shout episode. And I really feel sad now because now I just need to stick here with this stuff. Oh yeah, I had these two chairs before in my house. I really want this, the Jamal lines. What about this in there too? If I was a member, let's see what. Ooh, I would pick the donut. Can it be? No, this can't be in no colors. Can this be in colors? Yes, it can. But when I got it, it was no colors because when I got this, that update for the members didn't come out yet. So let's see. I need some stuff. You don't really have stuff. Hey, so this might be laggy. It's because how I'm recording and on the app at this, not an app. Wow, on a website right now. So I'm changing to my bunny. Forget all these wolves. I still like wolves. Those my favorite animals. Wolves and wolves, bunnies, and pigs. Those are my three best. Me? Is she talking to me? Me? You? What's she saying? You? Marsh. Okay, I'm clicking on the cashier. Smoothie machine. Oh, that's the game. I can't get that. She said I'm bored. I know I'm bored. See what else? Sky blue. Everybody except for you. Sky blue. Everybody except for you. Sky blue. Everybody except for you. I choose banana. Coming down, 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 down. I'm done. You won. See, finish. You gave me so easy. What should I do this? Please. I love this party. I think. Oh my god! The pigs to me look like a pet for the polar bears. I think the polar bears is Titanic. Oh, I know the Titanic. I really want to go inside here. I want to go down there so badly. Ooh, dolphins. I wish we could have jumped. I wish we could jump off. Jump. Wow. Jump off. Titanic. Why you keep saying the Titanic? Oh my god. XD. XD. New Jammer. Hi, welcome to Animal Jam, New Jammer. Wow, while I check on the tree list, it just came. It just said New Jammer. Like, am I slow? I'm really slow. Oh my god. But I want to check out this pig tree list. Bella, Bella Stella, Bella Stella, Bella Stella. So if you're watching this, I might give you. Can can members give non-members um like you see how you give people, can members give non-members gifts like gifts inside this square box? Yeah, everyone. Okay, that's cool. I already know, and a Playroll is on iPad, iOS, but it's not for every device, and that's good. This episode, every episode is gonna only be 10 minutes. Wow, she's a new gem and she's already a member. I think she just made new a new what's it called account and then do it. That's smart though. That is very smart. I swear that's smart. New jammer. She got already a lot of perks. Slamming the ground is my oldest monkey. Wait, what? I couldn't read what she said. Her outfit is very cute. I want anybody who's watching this to friend this girl. Melon, 760. Ooh, I want the warm blanket. I don't know why. Something's wrong with me. You want a warm blanket. I don't know. I think we. What? Why would you sell that? She's mean to Animal Jam. I want the warm blanket. I don't know. Some stuff with the warm don't look cool. If you like watch Animal Jam 3 or Lauren, she loves warm blankets. It looks cool. Please don't trade it. What? She don't have an item no more already? What? OMG, she looks so cute. With the little spike head. That's why I like pigs. They have real cupcake pirate sword. So I'm going to be ending this video in 25 seconds. So, like I said, this one will last 10 minutes. Oh, thank you! Oh my god. So cutie, my. Okay, bye everyone. Like, subscribe, and peace out.